This conference will now be recorded.
So these all things looks good, but the thing is you have to be serious if you really want to make some money. Till now you might have attended lot of webinar. During this lockdown, everyone is providing this webinar, that webinar. How many webinars have you attended? Yeah, you can ping in the chat window. Anyone attended any free webinars till now? How many have you attended? Okay, Meenakshi has attended two, Madhumi one, Nadia one, Sashank one, Deepti one, Madhuri two, Sukesh four, good, Monica one, Devarsh one. Okay, so everyone has attended at least one webinar. How many have you implemented what you have learned in the webinar? If you have implemented, just say yes. If not, say no. Okay. So many of you have implemented and many of you have not implemented. See, during the course, you have learned lot many things to make money online. So you have must if you must have started on at least one thing till now, you might be having a part-time source of income. So who is this person? Amitabh Bachchan. Everyone know about him. Now, how much money he is having? He has a net worth of $400 million. How he is having? Why he is having this much money? So did he started acting because he wanted to make so much of money? Yeah, what is your view on this? Did he started acting to make money? He thought, yes, he's going to be very rich. He's going to be a crorepati or arabpati, and then he entered into acting. Yeah, what is your view? Yes. So what you are saying, that is correct. He did it for passion. Now who is this guy? Everyone knows. Sachin Tendulkar. Now how much money he is having right now? He is having around 1,250 crores. That is a very huge amount. Yeah, because of the passion, these people have made so much of money. So are you really passionate enough to do what exactly you are doing? See, if you are money minded, you will not be able to make money. You have to be passionate enough, then only you are going to make good amount of money. So many of you have learned digital marketing. In digital marketing, you have to excel in something. So say if you uh, so say you want to do something good, you want to be famous. So once you are famous, money is going to come automatically to you. In digital marketing, there are a lot of modules: SCM, SEO, social media marketing. So many things are there in digital marketing. If you focus only on one thing, you practice regularly, and you will be able to come to know about lot of things about that particular platform. You can be expert, you can start giving different services. Slowly you will become so famous that people want to take you only for their project, and they will pay good amount to you. So you have to be so much famous in the field what you are doing. So first thing is you should have passion about the things. See, first thing is you have to forget about money. So wherever you see, yeah, make money online, yeah, let's go in that. How to make money? Yeah, I will earn. I want to make money, I want to make money, I want to make money. So you are attending the webinars, you are attending the things. Why? Because the first thing comes to your mind is, I want to make money. So understand these things properly. Sachin Tendulkar, when he started playing cricket, he found it, oh, he's enjoying playing cricket. Amitabh Bachchan is enjoying doing acting. So that is the reason they were passionate about that thing and they started their career in that. So they play and they enjoy and they make money. They act, they enjoy, they make money. So it is not at all a burden. But what is happening in our life? What we are doing? We are going to office. Office, oh my God, today is Monday. Now what will happen? So it is a kind of torture to us. We are going to make money, we are going to our job, but we are not enjoying doing our job. Why we are doing job? Just to make money. But you are not that much passionate to work what you are working. So that is the reason most of the people are failure. If you take your passion and you move ahead, you will see a lot of success. But if you just take your passion and you do not have a plan B, again you can be a failure. See, now the world has changed a lot. Now previously in our times, parents were only focusing on studies, but now parents are also focusing on other extra co-curricular activities. So competition has increased. So if you are passionate about something, you are very much passionate about something, you are going to succeed, but always have a plan B. So we'll discuss about more things in future. So at what age you are planning to retire? Yeah, your answers. Okay, see, everyone has to be very much proactive. If I'm asking something, you have to listen, you have to understand the things. Okay. So few people want to retire at 65, 55, 60. Someone at 33 also great. 65, 62, and okay. So few once you become tired and when you have got enough money, you want to retire. Okay. So see, if I talk about Amitabh Bachchan is still not retired. He is age of 75 right now, and still he is working passionately. He is so much passionate about acting that he is still working at the age of 75. So it depends on the people. Okay. So no Kirti, now it won't be unlocked. So those who are late are gone. So I already told that this is for serious things, serious people. So 7 means 7. I have already given a buffer of 5 minutes. Okay. Now how much net worth you want to take? Yeah. How much net worth you want before you retire? Yeah. Be genuine with yourself and tell the figure. Yeah. Confused? So how much money you want? Say you are having a saving of 2 crore rupees and at the time you want to retire. You want to retire at 65 and by 65 you should have at least 10 crore savings with you, then you want to retire. So what exactly? No, see, I do not want this kind of answers so much that my two generations can sit and earn. And if you think like this, nothing is going to happen. So there has to be a figure. Okay, so 1 million, 1 crore and above, 46 billion, 2 to 3 billion. I don't want maybe also. See, you have to have a clarity. Okay, 100 crores, 10 crore. Yeah, Madani, no maybe, clear answer. Okay, 5 to 6 crores. Yeah, Madani, waiting for your answer. Okay, you have given 2 to 3 billion, K3 25 crores, 4 crores. Okay, fine. So now coming back to this question. You have given me a age when you want to retire, and now you have given me a net worth. So will you be able to achieve this much by your retirement age? Yes or no? Yeah, you have given me a retirement age of 65, 55, and you have given me a figure that you want this much net worth. So will you be able to achieve that or not? Okay, so that's great. You should have confidence in yourself. You can do anything. Yeah, great, nice. So don't be like this. So recently, Corona and all the things is going on. So one person went for an interview, and you can read here. ये बताओ तुम कोरोना को कैसे खत्म करोगे? So very intelligent answer. कोरोना की झूठी कसम खा के WHO के डायरेक्टर बनोगे. Okay, so don't be like this. Some more. तो कोरोना के चलते पाकिस्तान में भी कहा गया वर्क फ्रॉम होम. एक ने घर में ही बम फोड़ दिया. So I hope everyone can understand Hindi little bit. Okay, another one. मुंबई से गोरखपुर जाने वाली ट्रेन गलती से उड़ीसा पहुंच गई. And train driver, you can see his face. So this is just a meme. He's not a train driver. So see, this happens with our life. We want to go somewhere, but we are going somewhere else. So this is kind of life example. Our parents want us to become something, but we are not becoming that. What we are becoming, whatever we want to become. Or else sometimes I want to become something, but I am going ahead according to my parents. अभी पेरेंट्स तो डिसाइड कर लेते हैं बचपन में ही, मेरा बेटा बड़ा होके इंजीनियर बनेगा या डॉक्टर बनेगा. But they won't ask them what exactly you want to become. What exact is your passion? Do you want to work in your passion? You might have seen a lot of movies where the boy is taking photographs and he is very much passionate about photography, but their parents say क्या शादी शादी में जाके फोटो खींचेगा, बर्थडे में फोटो खींचेगा, go and do some IT job. But you can see now the photographers, videographers, they are making huge amount of money. Any kind of thing what people are doing nowadays, they are making huge amount of money. So money is not the ultimate thing which you have to look for. You have to first thing is look for the passion. Okay, first thing is forget about money. If you keep on thinking about money, money, yeah, I want to earn this much money, I want to earn this much money. Yes, make a target that yes, I want to reach to that much amount, but do not think always about money. think about your passion, and then you have to work on your passion. Then only you can see a major difference. Okay, so again, one more picture. He's 104, 104 years old. What's your excuse? So what is the excuse? मेरे पास yellow color की shirt नहीं है. So this guy doesn't have yellow t-shirt, so that is the reason he is not going and challenging himself. So this is all a kind of joke. So we don't have to be like this. We have to be go and getters. How many of you feel that you are an idiot, and how many of you feel you are a genius? Just ping here. If you are idiot, you feel you are idiot. See, be truthful now. If you are truthful, you will make a lot of changes in your life. But if you fake yourself, things won't change. If you feel you are idiot, just put in here. If you feel you are genius, just put in here. Okay. Okay. Great. Okay. So most of you are idiot. Okay. A few of you are genius. Okay. Read this. An idiot with a plan can beat a genius without a plan. Now, those who are idiot, do you have a plan? And those who are genius, do you have a plan? Just write I have a plan. And those who don't have a plan, just write I don't have a plan. Yeah. Okay. Good. Many of you have a plan. And don't worry, those who don't have a plan, we'll make a plan for you. So see, whatever we want to achieve, if we are not having a proper plan, then again it is difficult for us to achieve what we want. So there is a great saying by our Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam: dream is not that which you see while sleeping. It is something that doesn't let you sleep. So everyone is having a dream. Everyone is having a desire. Everyone is having a goal, but they just have that in their mind. They don't have a proper plan, and they are in their own comfort zone. So you have to come out of the zone, then only you can make a difference in your life. Okay, so remember this: dream is the thing which doesn't let you sleep. So it doesn't mean you don't sleep. You have to sleep, or else your body won't function properly. You have to sleep, but understand what exactly this person wants to say. So you come out of your comfort zone and you work passionately about the thing what exactly you are thinking of. So do you know who is this person? Yeah, who is this person? Can you write his name? His name is Bada Business. I want his name. I don't want his profession or anything. I want his name. Bansal, okay. Amit Trivedi, okay. 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 So he is Vijay Shekhar Sharma. So which company he owns? Yeah, correct. He owns Paytm. And it was not easy for him to start with Paytm. Now, how he worked, uh, you have to know his story. So you can check in YouTube. You can find his complete story. I will give you a brief about this. So he had a dream to do something good. He wanted to become an entrepreneur. He was doing a job, and parallelly he started his company Paytm. He was making money from the job and he was putting money into his company. At some point of time, he was not having enough money to pay to his employees, and he struggled a lot in his life. But right now, if you see, he's a millionaire. Why? Because he was very much passionate about the things what he wanted to do. So if I come back to the previous slide, so what Mr. Kalam was saying, dream is not that which you see while sleeping, it is something that doesn't let you sleep. So that was the passion this person had, and he achieved his goal. He was working as well as he was also working with his company, job plus business both. And finally, when his business grew well, he stopped his job. So winners are not people who never fail. So do not feel that you are not going to have any failure. You will be having failure in your life, but still you have to keep on moving. If you are passionate enough about the things, then yes, you are going to achieve. So winners are not people who never fail, but people who never quit. So this is the biggest problem. You might have seen a lot of examples. The example of gold digger. So he was digging. Two gold diggers were there. One finally got the gold, and one was about to reach the gold, but he left from there. Now, many big companies they are not successful within a day. Every big company has lot of failures, and then they become big. So you will also get failures when you start with something, but you should never quit. You have to work for your passion, and you will definitely succeed in that. So can you see this example? It's all about which way you look. In first example, what is happening? This girl is not comfortable. Her face is hidden. She is sad. In second example, her face is visible. Hairs are at the back. She is relaxed and happy. It's just how you are facing the wind, the things change. So there will be a lot of problems coming in your life, in everyone's life. But what happens? We start thinking negatively. So that is the biggest mistake everyone is doing. So if you have some problem, if you start thinking negatively, will the problem go off? No. The problem will not go off because you are not thinking about the resolution. Whenever there is any problem, you have to think about the resolution. You should not think about the problems because thinking about problem is not going to give you any solution. So you have to make sure, see, you have to improve your knowledge on daily basis. So the more you read, the more you know. The more you know, the farther you go. See, if you have lot of knowledge, then only you will become successful. There are a lot of things. If you go into the market, if you want to become an entrepreneur, you should have some financial management skills. You should have business skills. You should have people management skills. You should have marketing skills. You require a lot of skills. So you have to improve on your daily basis. So are you doing this? Are you improving your knowledge every day? Yes or no? Are you improving your knowledge every day? Yeah, that's good. So at least everyone has to give 1 hour to improve your knowledge. It can be into digital marketing, it can be in any other skills. If you learn something extra, it is not like why to store this much of information. Your brain is very big, it can store huge amount of information. So our scientist Einstein, he has used 6 to 7% of his brain, and we are not even using 1 to 2% of your brain. So if you start reading more and more, storing more and more, you will see a lot of difference in your life. When you speak with people, you will be very much confident. When you speak with someone, they are talking something negative, you will be having some solution in your mind. You can recommend to them. They will feel happy. Oh wow, you have given a very good solution. So you have to keep on reading. So if I come to the second point, not every reader is a leader. Okay, but every leader is a reader. So those who are leaders, they definitely read. But the people who keep on reading, everyone is not leader. They cannot guide everyone. So you can become a leader, or else you can be a reader and you can just go ahead with your own life. A reader leads 1,000 lives. So this is just for the joke. The third and fourth point. The future belongs to those who read. Dinosaurs did not read. Look what happened to them. So according to you, what is life? Yeah, just in one single sentence, you can explain what is life. Where you don't care about anything and live on your terms. Okay, living the present moment, experience and learn everything. Okay, struggle to live happy. Okay, doing good karma. Okay, great. Learn to live with experiences. Get busy. Okay. So, how many of you feel that you are living your life to the fullest? You are very happy with your life. You are enjoying each and every moment. Many of the times we curse God. Oh God, what you have done? You have not given me good breeding. You have not given me a car. You have not given. So, how many of you curse sometimes God? And how many of you feel that you are happy? How many of you feel you are not happy? Okay, one person is not happy. Okay, not exactly not happy. I'm happy. Okay, okay, okay. So there can be many reasons associated with the thing which is not happy. It is personal in your life. In everyone's life, there is some or the other things. Okay, because of which people are not happy. Okay, so you have to first identify why you are not happy. Everyone take a notebook and a pen. I will give you 5 minutes, and you have to write down every point why you are not happy. Yeah, notebook, I don't want it to be done on your computers, because on your computers you save somewhere and you forget that. Get a notebook and get a pen, write on that. Yeah, once done, you can ping here. Okay, so two person has completed. Okay, it feels like you are not happy because of only very few reasons. Okay, so we'll try to make you happy. Okay, Naveen. Okay, so see, the major thing is the way we are trained since our childhood. That is the major reason why most of the people are not happy. When you should be happy, you are not happy. So let's see something. So 10 signs you are doing well in life. You have a roof over your head. Do you know many people are living in slums, many people are living in road, and you guys have a room. You are having a flat where you are living. You ate today. Now you know what exactly is happening in this world because of so much of pandemic of corona and all. Many people are not eating, but we are eating and we eat today. We got the food. Many people are not getting food. You have a good heart, so you are kind to others. You wish good for others. Okay, so always have a good heart, always have a helping nature for others. You have clean water to drink. Many people are unable to drink clean water. They are just drinking from some nalas or some anywhere. It is not clean. Still, they don't have any options. They are drinking that. Someone cares for you. You are having a family, husband, wife, mother, father, brother, sister. You have someone to care for you. Many people on the roads you will see they don't have parents. They are all alone. You strive to be better. You want to be better. Now you are in here for doing this seminar, webinar. Why? Because you want to be better. You want to make some more money for you so that you are happy in your life. You have clean clothes. You are having clean clothes where you are having a dream. You are breathing. So, do you feel that you should be happy? You are having all this. Are you thankful about all these things, what you have in your life? Yeah, that's great. So you have to be thankful. Take a screenshot of this and every day read this and be thankful. Say, thank God you have given me a roof. I got my food today. I am having a good heart. I am kind enough with others. I am having clean water. And someone is there for me to care. And I every day think of doing something better. I am having good clothes to wear. I am having a dream in my life I want to achieve. I am breathing air. So be thankful to what you have. You will be happy. Don't think about things what you don't have. See, there are a lot of problems in the relationship, in this. Everything can be solved just by your thought and just by your talk. If you don't talk, the problem is not solved. Many times You might be thinking, say you are having a friend, your friend is not calling you and you are also not calling to your friend.
Sir, not able to hear you. Sir, not able to hear you.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir, now able to hear you.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so you see, everyone has to be happy in your life. Do not worry about the things you don't have. What you have to do is you have to plan to be happy. No one is going to come and give you happiness. You have to search for happiness by yourself. Do you have any happiness doctor? Have you ever seen any happiness doctor? You go there and the doctor gives you happiness. Yeah, from today you will be happy in your life. We don't have such kind of people. So you have to get happiness from yourself only. So you have to plan the things. You have to stay positive. You should not think about what you don't have. Think about that, but you have you should have a plan to achieve that. That's it. And be thankful what you have. You will feel happy. If you think about all this, you feel happy. Yes, I am having so much of things what others are not having, and you will be motivated. So, do you feel you are fearless? So, how many of you are fearless? Just ping me, me. So, how many of you feel you are fearless? Okay. And how many of you feel you are shameless? Okay. So, see, the thing what is happening nowadays is many of the people are not successful because of others. They think, if I do this, what will my neighbor going to think about me? If I am going to do this, what my parents are going to think about me? So what you have to do is, if you want to do something your parents are not allowing, so what you have to do is you have to explain them. Yes, see, this is the thing. You have to do some research on that, and you have to show, yeah, this is the thing. So see, if you are having some some background support, it is going to take less time for you to achieve that thing. But if you do not have proper support, it is going to take a lot of time for you to achieve. An entrepreneur who is single means the person who is working alone, and an entrepreneur who is working with a team. Who is going to be successful faster? The person who is having a team. So that is the thing. If you are working alone, if you don't have support from your family, your friends, and all, then it might take a lot of time. So you have to gain their confidence, you have to explain them. So always remember this point. If you're doing wrong, then be shameful. If you're doing something wrong, but if you are doing correct, be shameless. Whatever is your passion, you want to do that. You know, yes, you are correct. And if you are doing this, you are not going to harm anyone. Follow the passion and then work for it. Okay. So let's do a task. So I'm giving you a link in the chat box. Everyone register using this link. Everyone create an account, and once you have created your account, just ping done. So you have to create an account as an individual.
Sir, it is showing business or customer. You have to click on business or customer.
Business. Business. So you do business account, individual account. So if you register as an individual, it is not going to ask for any GST. But if you register as a business person, it is going to ask you for the GST number. So just and you are going to get the payments into this account. If you make money, you are going to get in this account, and from this account, you can take it in your bank account.
Sir, I just registered it. Now it is showing get started with InstaMojo, payments, free online stores, and all that.
Free online store.
Sir, so what is this basically now? Everything is created. Now he's asking the name of the store and all that. So what should we fill like basic idea, sir?
Yeah, wait.
Okay, sir.
We will explain so that if anyone is also having problem, they can see. Yeah. Yeah. Now you are the presenter. You can share your screen.
Who is the presenter, sir?
You so
Devansh
just
Gupta
check
only,
on
sir.
your screen. You will have an option to. Yeah, Devansh Gupta only.
Yes, sir. Uh, which option should I
So
click,
you
sir?
will have an
Beside the
option
mic.
to. No, you will have an option to share your screen.
Okay, sir. 1 minute.
Just check on the settings once. Yeah, we can see your screen.
Okay, sir. 1 minute, sir.
You're
Sir, you are
working on
able to
mobile.
see my screen?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes.
I'm working on mobile. Now I should
Yeah,
show you the this thing.
yeah.
Sir, are you
InstaMojo.
able to see?
Yes, yes. So now here, what's the name of your store? So you have to give a name. So it can be a company name or you can give your name. It is up to you. So you guys have already created a website. So just give that website name or else you can give your name in here.
Sir, next.
Yeah.
Sir, if we don't have any of these things of our store, then what should we do?
Yes. See, this is all optional. Just scroll down.
Okay, okay, sir. Sir, I'm
Okay.
selling physical products.
So you can select on physical products. So, okay, next. And most of you have to choose digital product. Digital if you don't have any physical product. Category, if you're not getting anything, you can select as others.
Okay, just a second, sir.
Yeah, mostly you will get, just you can search.
Sir, I'm selecting retail,
Yeah,
not elsewhere classified.
okay.
Sir, these are all options are coming.
Yes. So if anyone is clicking the on the name on InstaMojo, your store is going to appear. So in here you can build your store, you can display your products as well. So you can choose anyone, whatever you like from this.
So, sir, this is just like Amazon.
Yeah, you can say bit like Amazon. So this can be used to sell your product, and you can take payment for other things as well on this. So on Amazon, you can just sell, you cannot use it as a payment gateway.
Sir, so now
Yeah,
in this,
anyone,
what should I choose?
the last one you can select.
Preview.
Third, fourth one. Yeah,
Next set story order.
yeah. So now you have to give a name. So you can choose a small name, RBP Jewels, or
Okay.
okay. Yeah. Now you can click on View My Online Store. Okay. So in here you can upload your logo, you can upload your cover image, and you can add products as well. Okay. So just create it for now,
Okay.
everyone. So slowly we'll work one by one on this.
Sir, so do I need to add it right now, or shall I get back to the meeting page?
Yeah, I didn't got you the college.
Sir, shall I get back to the meeting page, or should I add something over here now?
Yeah, yeah. Now, yeah, you can get back to the meeting page. Now the presenter is
Okay.
changed.
Okay, sir. Yeah, got it, sir.
Yeah, free online store. See, this is a mix of things. This is you can say a mix of
Uh,
Shopify, Amazon, and all. Yeah,
which option we have to select, payment or free online store at the starting?
go with free online. Yeah, free online store.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Yeah. So once you have completed, you can just ping done. Okay. So Madani has completed. Sukesh has done. Devon's done. Shashank done. Monica done. Okay. So remaining things you can do it later. So I will give you all the time frames you have to follow and you have to complete. So they see this is a kind of eliminations. If you are not doing the things, you will be eliminated. So today, 2, 3 members are eliminated because they are not on time. They are not serious. You have to be very much serious in here, and I will make you to make money. Okay, so Madhuri, you have already created the account, I think. So you can just log in using the email ID. Okay, so most of you have done. So we'll continue. So more half an hour, then we'll finish the session. Okay. So what do you understand by this image? Okay. 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 So good. So reaching the target. Yes, it is reaching the target, but few of you have told rightly. Steps to goal. Reach target step by step. So see, goals we cannot achieve in a day, or we cannot directly jump to the goal. We have to go step by step, and then we are going to reach the goal. So first thing is you have to do a proper goal setting. So whatever the mind can convince and believe, it can achieve. So Napoleon has given the statement, whatever the mind can convince and believe, it can achieve. And this is a very true saying, very true saying. If your mind can believe something which people are not believing, they say it is impossible. If you believe it can be done, it will be done for sure. So you have a conscious and you are having a subconscious mind. If you are able to fit something in your subconscious mind and you start believing that, you will see changes in your life. Do you know many of the people are cured? The cancer patient are cured not by doctors, by themselves. Have you heard any of such stories? Yeah. How it happened? It just happened with the belief system. Do you know about the pundits and the babas and all? What they do? When you go and tell your problem to them, they will give you some laddus, they will give you some vibhutis and all. And you feel, yes, after eating this, we are going to get cured. Most of the people are cured by themselves only, because after eating that laddu, they start believing, yeah, some magic is going to happen and now I will be cured. So automatically the functioning of the brain is, it is healing you and it is curing you. So many of the things are hidden from us. Many of the key things are not told to us. We just are engulfed in all this trigonometry, geometry, history, and all, but the way to live life, we are not knowing it properly. So always believe the things, and you will see a major difference. And you have to fit it in your mind. You have to keep on thinking about it regularly. We'll do all the things, a lot of things we are going to do. So goal setting, you have to take a screenshot of this. So first thing is, it has to be specific. You have to specify, I am going to achieve this. So many of you are giving your goal, I want to be entrepreneur, I want to be debt free, I want to be this, I want to be that. So I might want to earn 10 to 15 millions. So you have to be very much specific, that I want to become a film star, I want to become a cricketer. Specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and timely. So everyone knows what exactly this term means. So you have to specify your goal based on all these factors. Okay, so this goal setting thing you have to do it today. So now I have asked one question last time you guys have filled the form. What is your goal in life? How serious you are about your goal? Read the question here. What is your goal in life and how serious you are about your goal? Okay, so there is two question in this question. So now I am going to show your answers. Okay, so I'm not going to tell names whose answer is that, but I will just show you the answer. And you see now how you have written that, how serious you are for the things what you want to achieve to become an entrepreneur. So what was the question? What is your goal in life and how serious you are about your goal? So this person is not serious because this person is not reading the question properly, just reading half of the question and just writing the answer. So the person who has written knows who has written. Now coming to the next, to change the way the world is living, I could sacrifice my sleep for any sort of goal which I have set. See, you don't have to be generic. What is the question? What is your goal in life and how serious you are about your goal? So second question is left and this is not a correct answer. So now you understood what you have to specify your goal, how you have to specify your goal. It has to be specific, it has to be measurable, it has to be achievable, it has to be realistic, and it has to be timely. So this is the major problem. The goal setting is not done properly of most of the people. So they are not living their life, they are just dragging their life. Most of us are just dragging our life. We are not living our life. So you have to live your life, you don't have to drag your life. So that is the thing, you have to be specific on the things what you want to do. Next, want to become a good digital marketer. Okay, good. And then want to do start a own agency and also want to do affiliate marketing and also want my present digital marketing skills to use it in my dad's business, which will become slow after lockdown. So digital marketing becomes a very good option for me. Okay, so you have defined goal, but still a lot of things are missing from here. And how serious you are about your goal. So this question is not answered. Goal is to be able to be a digital influencer. Okay, good. Again, the second question is not answered in here. My goal is in life is to live debt free. So see, this is a very vague goal. My goal in life is to live debt free. You have to specify. Now you know how much debt you are in. You might have to give 10 lakh, you might have to give 20 lakhs. So what you have to specify your goal in here is, I want to earn 50 lakh rupees by end of 2020. Okay, so same thing in a positive scenario. And again, the second answer is not given in. Just entrepreneur. Again, the second question is not answered. Now the question is, what is your goal in life? And here it is written, work hard till I reach my. See, if this kind of things are there, no, you are not going to achieve anything in your life. You have to be very much serious about what you are doing. So we want serious people in here. So it's fine. So I'm telling you what all mistakes you are doing so that you can improve and slowly you can reduce making mistakes. So the question is, what is your goal? Then work hard till I reach my goal. I don't have any goals. but whenever I go, wherever I go, I should be happy. Okay, so now this person wants to be happy, but says he doesn't have a goal. This can be a kind of goal. And if you don't have a goal, something is asked from you, create your goal right now. What is the problem? Yeah, I see a question. What is your goal? And I don't have a goal. So what I will do is instantly I will create a goal and then I will give the answer. I won't say no for it. Okay. And again, the second question is not answered. So you can see how many of you are serious about doing the things. Very, very few people are serious. Just I have told how to make money online. So as the term money came, everyone is interested, but you are not passionate. I'm looking for passionate people. If you are, you see a lot of difference. But if you are not passionate, you just go wherever you see, okay, money is there, money is there, money is there, then again it is not going to help. Very much serious. So finally, someone answered second question, but didn't answer the first question. Be a person of value, brand, and linear. I am very, very serious about. So only one person answered both the questions. So yes, this person is serious. So to be a person of value, brand, and linear. So again, this is not a smart goal. The goal has to be smart. So you have to work on that. Want to be independent with a secure job, and I would work hard for that. Okay. And again, the second question is not answered. So see, this is not a proper goal to become entrepreneur, and I am very much interested. Yeah. So we got one more person who has given the answer for the second question. I want to be independent in my life and lead a nice life. I am ready to work hard for pursuing that. Okay. Want to become a social media marketer, learn all new things in social media platform by following digital marketing industry professional. Okay. Earning from affiliate marketing and making this a main source of income. Okay. To become a successful entrepreneur, multiple goals, willing to do anything to achieve them. Okay, good. So see, multiple goals you have to be specified. Don't be lazy. So if you see this one person has given the complete details. Want to become a good digital marketer and then want to start my own agency. Also want to do affiliate marketing. What is the problem in writing all the things? When it is you are having space, there is no limitation for that. You can write. Okay, so you have to do little hard work also. So see, everyone is having a goal, but these goals are not smart goals. So I have given you a specification. Your goal has to be smart. Everyone has taken a screenshot. So you have to define your goal, and you have my email ID. You have to. Yeah, guys, are you able to hear? Okay. Yeah, Devansh, can you hear now?
Yes, sir. Now able to hear.
Yeah. Okay. So I was not speaking. So okay. Yeah, just check your internet connections where it is lagging because from here everything is fine. So you have seen everyone has given goal, but very few people have read the question correctly and they have given their goal. So the goal, none of you are having any timely goal. In the classes also we have discussed many times related to the goals. You should have a defined goal, a timely goal. You should have written on a piece of paper and you have to see it daily. But I don't feel anyone is doing that. Have anyone created their goal and stick in front of their bed? Anyone has done that? Are you seeing your goal daily? Have you written your goal and stick it on a wall? Anyone has done that? If it is no, tell no. Okay. So see, we have to become little more serious, and you can see a lot of difference. So these are the small things what we are not doing, because of which we are in trouble, because of which we are unhappy, because of which we are unable to achieve the things in our life. Okay. So I have asked one question. Do you want this seminar to be free or paid? Free or paid? Most of the answers are free. So have you seen, can you give me one example, a person who got everything for free and he is very much successful? Yeah, any one example of a person who got everything for free and he is successful? You might be attending lot of webinars, you might be attending lot of seminars. After that, were you able to make any money? So there are very few people who are very much serious. They take the things for free and they are successful. So remember this, nothing is free in this world. Okay, nothing is free in this world. So don't be sad. Either you purchase or you earn it. Okay, so if you earn it, yes, you are getting it for free. So you will get this webinar, complete webinar for free, but you have to earn it. So how to do that? So task number 2. We will be closing in 10 minutes. Okay. So here is a link. So before learning making money, now you are going to make money. Without learning to make money, you are going to make money. So this is a link. Just register on this link. So this particular boot camp, what we are doing, make money online. This is priced at 1,000 rupees, and it is going to be a long game everything. So now what you have to do to get it free? So you become a reseller. Now,
Sir, sorry, sir. Sorry for interrupting.
yeah,
I
now
was
there,
able to hear you, sir.
yeah, yeah, Devansh.
Sir, now not able to hear you, sir.
Yeah, 1 minute. Can you hear now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now able to hear, sir.
Okay, so what you have to do is everyone has registered on InstaMojo. So now this particular webinar is costing 1,000 rupees. So you have to earn this particular webinar. Already we have started. Now we are going to do a lot of things practically. So you have to make it free for you. Then I will understand, yeah, you are really serious about doing this, and then it is going to be helpful for you. So what you have to do is you are signing up using this particular link as a reseller for this program. So you have to recommend this particular boot camp of make money online, and you have to make 4 registrations. So when you make 4 registrations, you earn 1,000 rupees, and using that you can join the webinar. So it is free for you. Clear, everyone? So no hard work, only smart work in here. And if you are making more people to join, you make money as well. So you become a reseller for this particular program. So you have learned digital marketing right now. So using your digital marketing techniques, using your contacts, you have to do this particular. I will prefer everyone to use your digital marketing skills and then get the joinings from your end. So when you become a reseller, you are going to get a link. So you have to promote that link. So you have to go to bit.ly.com. Bit.ly. One. What you can do is you can go to bit.ly and you can shorten it, and then you can share it with others. So you can register on bit.ly. If your promotion link is long, you can shorten it, and after that you can promote to others. So see, for promotion, you can promote it directly, or else interact with individual people on different social media, or else just write a post like, do you want to learn how to make money online? If yes, comment your email ID or comment your phone number. So like this, what is going to happen is you will get an email database, as well as you are going to get a contact database. And those who are interested, they are only going to contact you, and then you can share it with them. So plan it with proper strategy. Okay.
Sir, sorry to interrupt you, sir, but when we are
Yeah.
going to spread this link through social media, like whoever want to make money online, you can join this through the link and register yourself. Like, can you just tell us a short description so that we can mention that we are gonna teach you these all things in the webinar, and you'll learn all these things in the webinar, and it's guaranteed that if you work hard, then you'll earn something.
Okay, so I will give you all the details. Just give me 1 to 2 days. And meanwhile, I want some creatives from you. So you just design some creative according to you and email me. So what are the rules? All the rules I will just write it down, and I will share it in the group. WhatsApp group is there, so I will share.
Yeah, sir, that's good, sir. We'll do
See,
that, sir. You just
yeah,
send us all the details in today so that we can spread everything and make first we'll make our own creatives, and then you tell us all the rules that
yeah,
we should mention in then that, and then we'll just
yes,
forward everything.
yeah, yeah. So see, this is completely learning thing. So whatever you are having doubt, don't ask me directly. You first work on that and show me, yeah, I have done this, whether it is correct or not. So I will help you to improve on that. So this way it is going to help you improve your skills. But if you ask me everything directly, no, I'm not talking about this. Coming further, a lot of things are going to happen. So if you ask directly and I am telling directly, then you will not be learning more things. So I want each of you to learn more and more things, and you should become independent. So maybe after 2 months or after 3 months, you should be independent, making money using this online skills. So Naveen,
Sir,
no, you don't have to share. Yeah, 1 minute,
sir,
Devansh. So this link,
yes,
what I have given, you should not share this. This is for you to register. So once you register, you become a reseller for this particular thing. You can share this with others, and you will see automatically when anyone purchases using this link, your account, Instamojo account, is going to get 250 rupees added in your account. So if you are selling 4, if you are able to sell 4, now you use that amount and you purchase this, and it is free for you. So you have to earn it. See, I can give it free for you. I can give free. There is no problem in that. But I want you guys to put effort in this. And after 2 to 3 months, everyone should be independent, making money online. Okay. So I'm giving you one more offer. So do you want that, or this much is enough?
Sir, one more thing, sir. When we are
Yeah.
forwarding all these things,
Hmm.
so many of us, like, not all of the people have done digital marketing, no, sir. So is it compulsory for them to do
Hmm.
digital marketing to attend this course, or are the people like, sir, to be precise, my friends, they have not done digital marketing. My sister and my mom, they have not done digital
No.
marketing.
Yeah. Yeah. So
But
good
can they
question.
join
So
the course?
no, no, no. So this is for the people who know basics of digital marketing. So when you open this particular sales page of this InstaMojo, what I have given you, so it says that you should have basic digital marketing knowledge, then only you can join. So it is not for beginners. The person should have basic digital marketing knowledge. Okay. So coming to one more. So just a minute. So offer one is make 4 sales and use your commission money to purchase the ticket. Okay, so if you make 4 sales, you are getting 25% commission on one sale, and finally, if you sell 4 tickets, you can purchase your ticket. Offer two: if you make 10 sales, keep all the money. Okay,
Sir, but
so that,
can you, sir, sorry to interrupt you, sir,
yeah, yeah, tell
but
me, tell me. No.
many people have not done digital marketing, sir. Like, only like one or two contacts of me have done digital marketing. So can you put some course like that? The people have not done digital marketing, or can you explain some basics in that course so that the people who have not done digital marketing can also do the course? Like, if we do that thing, sir, many people will join the course. Like, most of the people, and 10 sales will be
So
very easy to achieve.
okay, so I will design a course on InstaMojo, and then I will share you that as well. So you can share that particular thing, and that also I will give you 25% commission. So whatever is the course fee, if you are able to sell that, you get 25% commission on that. So see, without learning anything, you are going to make money. So when you learn and when you start implementing, and if you are serious enough, you can make a lot. Digital marketing is one of the best thing right now. See, basics of digital marketing is they should know website designing and social media marketing. That will be more than enough. So in basics, they should have a understanding of digital marketing. So see, most of you have done my classes from the beginning, so you are clear with the basics. Many people didn't attend it. I have taken few of the batches which were from the mid. I was given later on. So in initially, I tell about the complete basics about digital marketing, what exactly digital marketing is, how to use the digital marketing stuffs, what to do in digital marketing. So pure basic they should know at least in what is SEO, what happens in SEO, in SEM, what happens, Google Ads, how to do Google Ads, what AdWords, what is keyword planner. So they just have to know the basic to use the things. I will be showing the things practically, but if they do not know the basics, again, we cannot enter in the basics because this is not a digital marketing class. This is a make money online class. So that all basics they should know. How to run ads, how to do SEO. At least some basics if they are knowing, they will learn here only. So I'm going to design a course also and I'm going to put on InstaMojo. So if anyone is not knowing the basics, they can join the basics and then later on they can start with this. So not right now. So this will be the season 1. They can do it in the season 2. Yeah, anything more? So everyone is taking the offer.
Sir, what will be the cost of design of the course on InstaMojo of the basics of digital marketing?
Yeah, that I will that you will get to know in 1 to 2 days. Most probably by
Okay.
tomorrow.
Okay, sir. Done, sir.
Yeah, anything else you want to add? Any question you want to ask? And I hope this session was useful to everyone. Okay, deadline. So first thing, goal setting. EOD tomorrow. It has to be a smart goal. Second thing, smile daily. How many of you are smiling daily? Say yes or no. Okay, so right now everyone smile for 1 minute. Just stretch your cheeks how much you can. Yeah, 1 minute, smile everyone. Stretch your cheeks how much you can. And try to recall something, and if you want, you can laugh also. So when you smile, most of your muscles get activated, and you will see a difference. When you smile, you feel relaxed. Just smile for 1 minute. Smile, stop, smile, stop, smile, stop. Just do for 1 minute, 4 times a day. You'll feel relaxed. We keep on taking all the tensions. We don't smile, and we are overloaded. Okay, now if you are not happy, you have written down everything. You have a list why you are not happy. Okay, so you have to write a resolution date for everything. So see, now everyone have a diary, and this diary you have to use till the end of this complete workshop, boot camp. So a lot of things has to be done. You have to write in that diary only. So right now you might be taking it in rough. Yeah, I'm telling everything, Sukesh, by when you have to do this. So why you are not happy, you have list down. You have to write down a resolution date by when you want to resolve it and how you want to resolve it. And any help you require in anything, whatever kind of problems you have, but don't ask money from me. So any help you require, I will guide you. If you are stuck, like you are not getting how is the solution, what is the solution, how you are going to resolve it, so I will guide you. If you require any help, you can just send me a personal message on WhatsApp, so I will help you with that. Okay, so resolution date and how you want to resolve it. Smart goal, you have to define properly end of date tomorrow, and this also end of date tomorrow. So this, if you want, you can share with me. If you don't, if it is personal, keep it with you. Any problem in anything in deciding how to resolve, you can ask me. I can help you how to find the solution for that. Okay, and I will be sharing the other things what we have decided. Anything else, you can just ping on the WhatsApp group. So those who are eliminated will be removed from the group. So you have to be active, you have to be proactive, and you have to be punctual, or else you guys will also be eliminated. And I want each of you to stay till the last day of this bootcamp. Okay, anything else? Any questions? Nothing? So we'll end for the day. So for the next session, I will update. So see, this is not a kind of regular session. It is going to happen. There is no defined time for it. I will be telling you the time when it is going to happen the next. It might take 1 month, or it might take 2 months to complete the complete bootcamp, because you have to do a lot of activities. You have to derive the result out of that. So there will be a lot of classes in this. So for the next, I am going to update in the WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you everyone for coming on time and staying with me till now. So everyone is going to rock now. Okay, good night everyone.